Hello everyone, I received a MSI GF63 from a fan today and need a newer battery in HDD. Here we go. Find these screws and remove them all. It takes some time to remove the screws, which I omitted here. Then use the prying blade to pry off the back cover of the machine. The process of prying the back cover of the machine needs to be pried carefully. After some operations, the back cover of the machine can finally be opened. Now, straighten the laptop. And unplug the power cable from the battery. It doesn't take much effort and you need to protect the plug port. Remove the battery, and then replace the HDD. It is relatively simple to replace the HDD. Remove the two screws that fix the HDD and pull it out to remove the old HDD. Replace with a new HDD. Install it back to the original position and lock the screws to complete the operation. Now to install a new battery. This new battery is our brand battery KingSener, which is comparable to the brand of the original battery. Connect the battery power cord. Then you can cover the back cover of the machine. Install the back cover of the machine, open the laptop, and test the boot. Perfect. Boot into the system smoothly. I hope today's content is useful to you. Like it or leave your suggestion. That is my greatest encouragement. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.